Do not miss out this video because the third and fourth book helped me a lot in my coaching journey, and I'll be sharing about that secret. So watch it. I must read books for coaches and trainers. So if you're a coach and maybe in the starting phase, then you should not miss out that the first book that I would like to recommend, that is You Can Coach by Siddharth Rashekar. Yes, I'm his student. Don't think that I'm biased about it, but I genuinely wanted to share my experience when I started my journey, and I was really confused about finding a niche, crafting, creating a course. And if you go to this book, two topics that I would like to highly recommend if you are really not clear about finding a niche. First one is which is the planning phase, with the find your niche. I've read at least 5 times while I was launching my coaching program, and I got a lot of clarity because Siddharth has given a lot of examples of varieties of niches. That's the first thing. Second is like once you find out your niche, how to craft a solid product, and this book has given a complete framework to create a solid world-class course. I would highly recommend this book for specifically niche clarity and curriculum designing. It's the first book that I would highly recommend. I'll be putting the links in the below description. You can go and check it out after you watch this video. Second is Sell Like Crazy by Sagar Sangam Sahu. So if you really wanted to learn specific areas like a marketing, how you can actually invest money into marketing and get the best return than any other investment option around the world, then this book is awesome. Also, you'll be learning a lot of things about the marketing and selling of your coaching business. This book is really applicable to other businesses also, like freelancing agency, but this is something that helped me a lot during my coaching journey to understanding the power of internet marketing and creating a godfather offer. So I would highly recommend this one chapter that I would highly recommend, that is he has talks about godfather offer, and second is talks about a conversion and also how to talk to your customer. This book is awesome for that. Third book that I will highly recommend for coaches and trainers, that is 100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozy. This book is something that I have read multiple times, at least 5 times complete book. You will learn from this book is the first thing that you will learn about the pricing and structure of any offer, and how to give a scarcity, how to give a urgency. And even I have also taken some inspiration from this to put it on my courses, like how people can actually create some offer so that they can increase their price and charge what they are worth. Awesome book for all the coaches. If you are struggling to charge a premium, then this book is really must for you. There are a lot of other aspects of offer, but specifically what I liked about the way he has mentioned about the value creation process, the strategy of value creation. That's something that I learned from this book, as well as prices I mentioned. Fourth book for coaches, which is like my all-time favorite. Like I have grown from my affiliate marketing journey to become a coach. This book contributed a lot. I don't know how many times I have read it, maybe more than 10 or 15, because this book is so close to my heart and very powerful, which is Expert Secret by Russell Brunson. And one line that changed my life is if you publish for 1 year, then your life will never be the same. This one liner changed the game. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो ये बुक का एक लाइन अगर मेरा लाइफ चेंज कर सकता है, अगर आप पूरा पढ़ोगे तो क्या होगा. And this book talks about finding your voice, 4 core story, how to actually tell the story while your sales pitch, while your marketing message, and the 10x secret masterclass, the 10x secret strategy that Russell Brunson used while the Grant Cardone event, where he made $3.2 million in just 90 minutes. Those strategies that he is revealed in this book. Awesome book. Like if as a coach, if you have never read this book, then you are missed big part of the coaching journey. Highly recommend for all coaches. And fifth book, which is even if you learn the 10x secret from Expert Secret, even Russell also mentioned about this book in Expert Secret book, that is One to Many by Jason. And this man has really created a massive revolution when it comes to webinar strategies, and these strategies are so deep, and I think nobody has explained this webinar selling strategy, webinar delivering strategy in such a detailed manner like nobody has done. This will be highly beneficial for all the coaches who are doing one-to-many sales. And fun fact is I have created one event called One-to-Many Sales event for taking this inspiration from one-to-many only. So there's a one wonderful book. Highly recommend all the people who are doing webinar, workshop, masterclass, bootcamp, whatever you're doing. This is for you. So this is the full 5 books. I'll be putting all the links in below, and go and buy this book. If you are a coach, you're not reading this book, then you're missing out a big part of your journey. Sometimes even if you can get one idea from that one chapter of that book, this will change the whole game of your business. Let me know in the comment box which book that you have already read, or you can also mention that which book you would like to order right now.